Hey fellow gamers, today I want to share with you an absolutely thrilling discovery I made in Shenzhen electronic market, Huaqiang North. If you're anything like me, you know how exhilarating it is to explore new gaming shops, especially the ones that have got rare finds. I'm talking about game consoles, game cards, and gaming CDs. Now let's dive into this video and explore this gaming shop together. Stick with me through to the end of this video to find out what exactly I got from this gaming shop. Let's get started.
There's also this. I haven't seen one of these in a long ass time. Oh, this even has buttons at the back. I don't remember if the ones we had back in the day had buttons. I'm not sure. This is just bringing back memories. Also, there's this one. This looks a lot newer. I don't know. This is like Game Boy. This does look like Game Boy. I'm not sure about this one. This does look like PlayStation, but it's not. It says Project X. And then we got this one. Probably this is what? I'm not sure what this one is. And then aside that, there are like, you know, aesthetics and stuff that you can use for these. And if you're Nintendo Switch player or Nintendo or PlayStation, I think these are for you, because you can see these are Nintendo Switch games. Actually, I have Nintendo Switch in my backpack right now, and these prices are very interesting, you know, to attract you. I'm not sure because I don't have like the Mario. I don't know why, but like these Marios are always around these prices for some reason. I'm not sure. And then there are the controllers. This one is about $499, so like 500 yuan. Yeah, $499. This is like $419. I think these prices are a lot expensive than I expected, because I think I've seen cheaper somewhere else. Yeah, so these are like the controls. If you want to get maybe different colors for it, and I think these are also protective cases. I don't think I have protective cases on mine, because like some of the cases, if you put it on and slip, like, you know, the way you slide it in and stuff, it kind of like has too many problems. You gotta take it off and put it on. So yeah, these games are super interesting because what's this? Zombie Army Dead War. I don't know about this one. I do know about this one, Triangle Strategy. And then, oh, this is new Zelda, Tears of the Kingdom. Anyone who loves the Nintendo would know this game. I already have this one. I did have The Walking Dead, but then I'm playing it because I think this is Minecraft. So you can see there are a lot of games you can you know, this is Overcooked 1, Overcooked 2, Mario Kart, all the different Smash Brothers, Super Smash Bros, whatever. They're all here. And then I think I saw this online as well. I don't know why it's super expensive, but it should be maybe a lot cheaper, I think. And then we have NBA 24. Oh, this is NBA 24. I don't have this one. Internet download. Okay, I don't have this one, so I may look into it. And then we got the consoles itself. So this is, I think, Switch 2. I think mine is this color. There's a white one, there's this one, and there are these colors as well. And then we got PlayStation games right here. I think this is, I have no idea what this is. I think I've seen this one somewhere. Diablo, Assassin's Creed, Dragons, the Goma or whatever. And then Enchanted. I really love this game. I think this is the one Tom Holland acted a movie for. I really love the game. I mean, the story and stuff, super interesting. And then we got Street Fighter, Red Dead Redemption. This is a new game that came out, super difficult. I'm not sure, but I think it's super difficult. And then there's there's this one. I think they also have this for for Nintendo. Then we have, I think, car racing, NBA 24, Spider-Man 2, PlayStation, what is this? Village, Biohazard, I'm not sure. And then we have Grand Theft Auto 5, and then there's this. I don't know what game. Oh, Final Fantasy, I know this game. And then down here we got controllers. So this controller is like $4.99, as you can see. Different colors and different designs, as you please. And then we now have headphones for the PlayStation. This is PlayStation. I'm not sure which is this. Okay, this one is the one that has a CD-ROM. And then we got this one also has a CD-ROM, you know, because I think they did have two versions. They have one with the CD-ROM and one without the CD-ROM. So this one is the one with the CD-ROM, but if I'm getting one, I would most definitely prefer getting the one with the CD-ROM, so you don't get left out. If you're buying games that are on CD, it would be a lot easier. Yeah, so that's it for the game. And then they have, you know, action figures and stuff like that over here. So you can see this is like the video game department, and I'm probably gonna buy something. I'm not sure I'm gonna leave here just like that, because I do have Nintendo. And oh, also these are like cases. I didn't see this one. These white ones, they're gonna catch dirt super fast, so I don't think I'm gonna get these ones. I already have a case, it's black and I like it like that. But on the other hand, I may want to get maybe a couple of games or something, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure how much the actual PlayStation costs, but I'm gonna ask about it and see if it's expensive or not.
Thank you for sticking through to the end of this video. Now I'm ecstatic to show off my latest gaming card purchase from the amazing shop in Shenzhen, Snowrunner. The original price for this was 219 yuan, but I managed to get it for 170 yuan. That was a really good deal. I'm excited to test this out on my Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED version. Let me know in the comment section what you would have gotten from this gaming shop. If you enjoyed this video in any way, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next time, happy gaming.